We've just acquired this simply stunning, gorgeous Mercedes GL350 CDI AMG Sportline. The wheels are unmarked. AMG double spoke alloys. It's finished in gleaming black. It's got park distance control all around. It's got a rear camera as well. Obviously this is the 7-seater. These do fold down electronically. Give you more space in the boot. You can lower them and raise them from 2 positions in the car. It's got the full leather interior, as you can see. Electronic boot. Interior is in absolutely superb condition. It's got electric seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, power folding mirrors. It's got factory satellite navigation. It's got Bluetooth connectivity for phone and audio, full media pack. It's got heated seats here. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. It's done 101,261 miles. Got different modes of driving it there, suspension as well. It's got an aux in there. No, not an aux, sorry, a USB. Let's get that right. Cup holders. Tilt and slide sunroof. It drives absolutely fantastic. We have just serviced the vehicle. It's just had an MOT. DJH will have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.